Now last week I was recording for about 2.5 hours, and I forgot, and probably I was done. But I wanted to show you, talk to you about a few things. For one, um, I don't know if I showed you this, but I know that they brought out the it's called All Hallows Eve, the Hocus Pocus 2 eyeshadow. Uh, that had come out, but that was in October, so I'm not sure if I showed it to you or not, since my life was crazy. So just wanted to show you the colors. Like, instead of reds, they put oranges this time, which orange and black are the Halloween colors. So in case I didn't show you that, I just wanted to show it to you now. Sugarpill did the Oh Honey collection. I just had a hard time opening it though. Let me see if I could get it. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. There we go. Sheet yellow again, really. No matter what I do, it turns yellow. So she said it's like her last Oh Honey, Trixie Mattel, but the other one was like lighter, and this is a more gothic, more darker colors. All right, I know it came with a lip gloss, but this box is really hard to open. It's like a gold shimmery lip gloss, and that's cute, right? Comes with that. The packaging is really nice. And then it also came, you had to buy separately, was this. It's another lip gloss set. So this is kind of like a nudish color, and then this is another shimmer, like a golden shimmer. You could tell that they're not the same, because one is a little bit more orangey than the other.